Hello traders, Lord Ray with HypedOnCrypto.com, your number one source for cryptocurrency technical analysis and blockchain education. In this video, we're going to be doing a, lightning recap analysis, kind of both, right, for Verge and Tron. They're the two darlings. They've been the two darlings of this crazy Bitcoin downtrend. So we're going to see where they're at today. So let's get it going. All right, so first one we're gonna look at is Tronix. They're kind of it's kind of opposite day. It being Easter and April Fool's Day, it looks like Tronix. Hey, are we gonna see an April Fool's joke, or is this a real deal? Right? Is this a trend reversal, or is this just a correction after 3 successful, beautiful trades that we've had in the past 2 weeks? It's been a great run. Well, let's redraw our fibs. Right? We had our target fibs. Now we're just going to redo this since we do have a swing low to swing high. Okay. And what happens on uptrends, guys? On these new uptrends, the most common thing, the most common retracements you're going to get, the 382 fib, we fell below that. The 50% fib, we fell through that. The 618, that's your last one, guys. That's your key support in downtrends from run-ups, right? From your bull run. Now retraced to your 618. Very important level. When we hit this level, we fell below, we skyrocketed back above it, but there are multiple things to consider here, okay? So we were oversold technically, and we had been, this is bearish RSI stuff right here. Just bouncing along a certain trend line. We're below 50 still, but at one point when we were breaking down, we were just bouncing off this 40 trend line. It's 40 RSI level, 39, just bouncing. It's bearish moves on the RSI. And the fact that we're staying below 50, using that as a resistance now on the RSI, it's still quite bearish. Okay, I truly fear that maybe all we're doing is getting out of oversold territory, excuse me. Hey, maybe we're forming some bullish consolidation off this breakout. It could be possible, but we are also having issues with this 20 MA, which we know when you get extended from your MAs, you're eventually going to come back to test those levels. If we could break this and then somehow get above the 50% retrace, which would be 495 Satoshis, guys, then we would test this 50 MA. This is our equilibrium level, and unfortunately we're below it. Okay, and on the 1 hour, I don't want to be that guy, but on the 1 hour, it's really insignificant. It's not that big of a deal. It's just something worth noting. Okay, if you're a short-term trader, that you did have a 1 hour death cross. Both your MAs cross below your 200. Something to think about, something to just know, okay? It's the 1 hour, so it's not the 4 hour, the 1 day. I'm not saying it is, and I'm not saying it's as significant as a death or golden cross on the 4 hour or 1 day. Nevertheless, it's something I wanted to bring to your attention. Right here, we had a measured move down, right? When we hit that measured move down, we came back up. Wow. Tweezer double top action when we came back up to test this previous level. It's 382 in this confluent measured move area. Came up, right here, this reversal pattern, boom, broke down, broke below the 50, tested it for a while as resistance, and then broke again. Now we're above the 618. Can we hold? Time's gonna tell. Something maybe we could do to give us a little bit more vision, right, in our charting. Okay, something like this. Okay, 1 plot point, 2, 3 plot points on top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plot points on the bottom. Okay, guys? Sometimes you can disregard the wicks because it makes more sense to be touching that, and that's where we would have been initially if that was, say, none of this had happened yet, right? We plotted this downward sloping channel, we'd have held this here, and if we would not have touched this channel, we would have still held the body of our candles within this channel. So it's being very much respected. Okay. So again, got to break above this 20. Got to break above the heart line of this downward sloping channel. That, look, the one time we did test it, we tweezer double topped and broke to lower prices. This will be a critical level, as well as 50%, as well as the 50 MA. You have a lot of adversity ahead of you if you're Tronix bull. Okay, I'm not going to mince words. It was very, very bad that you fell below this 50% retrace. Okay, you're at your last limb. You fall below this 618, the trend may very well be over. And I would say that you did want to have a stop loss. Technically, up here, and we did talk about in the live streams numerous times to have stop losses set here, because look, this is a bear pull, bear flag action after a beautiful run. Stop loss. You'd save yourself a lot of money. So guys, tune into our live streams. We do it twice a day. You can't miss us. 3 Eastern and 11 Eastern on our YouTube live channel, right? We have another channel. Just type it in, Hyped on YouTube, or Hyped on Crypto live on YouTube, second channel. So we're going to move on to Verge. Good luck, Tronics. Opposite, complete opposite, the darling, right? This one's doing quite wonderfully. It's hitting levels, and for the first time, it broke this, it broke above the body of the previous candles, right? When they wicked up here on the 1 hour, but the fact remains that we had a close above these areas. That's very nice, and now we're hooking off that area. Wonderful to see. Now this may be short-lived. We could break down, sure, but nevertheless, if we did break down, our support would be 621 Satoshis. We'd really want to stay above that if we wanted to remain just pretty much mooning at this point. Look how beautiful this fanning action is on our MAs. Okay, love it. Things you really want to see. We are starting to get a little extended from the MA, 20 MA, our fastest scale MA. It's okay. It's going to happen in these bull runs. If we could just stay lateral for a while, and then look, make the move. I think you're going to see some serious resistance at the 710 area, because that is where the wick is of the last time we topped out. But if you surpass that, you're going to probably top out at 732 Satoshis. This would be an incredible time to take profit. So the 710 area and the 733 area, if you want to shave some off, get it, shave it. Take some profit while you got it, because when we hit this level on a run like this, we consider that an exhaustion move. Okay, you will not be able to sustain and break above this level with this type of price action you already currently have going for you. You need tons of levels of breaks, bullish consolidation, breaks, bullish consolidation before you really break out your serious level. So I could easily see us getting up to this level and crapping out quite fast, because everyone's going to be selling here at this level or this level, 710 or 732. Keep that in mind when you're thinking about short-term trades. Something else that could happen, look, if you see us zoomed out, we legged up. We had one ascending support level. Now we have a new leg, right? Because of new buyers, institutional buying, right? Lots of volume, guys. This volume, it rivals volume we had. We're in a market right now that's less than 300 billion. Okay. This was over 800 billion market cap in cryptocurrency. Less than 300 billion, right? Way less than half. And we're rivaling these levels. That's huge. Big buyers have come in. This trend is completely reversed to the upside. You're still fine on your MAs on the 1 hour. You're great on your 4 hour. So yeah, guys, you're currently above the 618 and your previous closes, right? Good 4 hour, whatever. 4 hour looks even more insane, right? This 4 hour here, you're seeing the highest levels of positive momentum you've seen since February 17th, which was this huge spike here, okay? What happened when we had a huge spike like this, guys? You saw it, right? Huge breakdown. Traders made their money and they got out. Traders are going to take their money and get out at 710 and 733 in the short term. Okay, I'm not saying the run's over after that. I'm just saying these are great levels to shave off profit, because we're getting very, very extended from our MAs, and we're going to need to come back and breathe a little bit. We've had a sustained run. I mean, 1, 2, 3 candles right here, 12 hours plus of just nothing but beautiful green higher prices. So keep that in mind, that we are high flying right now a little bit, getting a little extended from our leg. Come back here, you can test this, you'll be fine. Just keep marching along. Okay, guys? So I just wanted to give you an update on Tronics and Verge, the two darlings in the altcoin market. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, hit that bell, hit that sub. So until next time, stay hyped.